Awning windows. Fort Worth is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functional appeal. With a variety of awning window styles Fort Worth offers, residents can select from energy-efficient awning windows, custom awning windows, and more to suit their specific needs. Awning Windows Fort Worth contractors are skilled in providing top-notch installation services, ensuring that each window is fitted perfectly to maximize its benefits. Energy-efficient awning windows. Fort Worth are designed to reduce energy costs while providing excellent ventilation and natural light. These windows are available in various materials, including vinyl awning windows Fort Worth, aluminum awning windows Fort Worth, and wood awning windows Fort Worth. Each material offers unique benefits, such as durability, low maintenance, and aesthetic appeal, making them a versatile choice for any home. Custom awning windows. Fort Worth allow homeowners to personalize their window designs to match their home's architecture and style. Awning window experts Fort Worth can assist in selecting the right awning window designs. Fort Worth, ensuring that each window complements the overall look of the property. With a range of awning window sizes Fort Worth available, finding the perfect fit for any space is easy. Awning window replacement. Fort Worth services are essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your windows. Regular awning window maintenance. Fort Worth can prevent issues such as leaks, drafts, and hardware malfunctions. Awning window suppliers. Fort Worth provide high-quality awning window hardware and awning window accessories to keep your windows in top condition. For those looking to upgrade their existing windows, Awning Window Replacement Fort Worth is an excellent option. Awning window. Fort Worth upgrades can enhance the energy efficiency, security, and aesthetic appeal of your home. Awning window enhancements. Fort Worth include options such as tinted glass, decorative grills, and advanced locking systems. Awning window Fort Worth solutions cater to a wide range of preferences and budgets. Whether you're interested in vinyl awning windows, Fort Worth for their low maintenance, or wood awning windows, Fort Worth for their classic charm, there's an option for everyone. Awning window options. Fort Worth also include various awning window materials. Fort Worth, ensuring that you find the perfect match for your home. Awning windows. Fort Worth benefits extend beyond aesthetics, offering improved ventilation, natural light, and energy savings. Awning window features Fort Worth, such as easy operation and weather resistance, make them a practical choice for any homeowner. Awning window fittings. Fort Worth ensure a secure and precise installation, maximizing the performance and longevity of your windows. In Fort Worth, awning windows. Fort Worth contractors are dedicated to providing exceptional service and quality products. With a focus on customer satisfaction, these professionals offer comprehensive awning window services Fort Worth, from consultation to installation and beyond. Awning window experts. Fort Worth are committed to helping you achieve the perfect balance of style, function, and efficiency in your home.